already graduated from elementary school.
I know, right? But Marco, do you remember our journey from grade 1 to grade 6?
Yeah, I still remember our journey from grade 1 to grade 6. In grade 1A, we were taught by Miss Megan, and in grade 1B, we were taught by Miss Apros.
Mm-hmm. And in grade 1C, we were taught by Miss Christine and Miss Alice in 1B. Oh, and do you remember that we have to brush our teeth and clean our body in term 1? It's for POA, and the theme is our super body, remember?
Yeah, I do remember that. Also, do you remember our POA project in term 2?
In term 2 theme, which is let us make a moment, we made a documentation about our family's activities at home. Now I remember.
Talking about grade 1, I still remember our ELTC to Kuntong Frankfurt. It was such a blast. I have so much fun there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Marco, I think I recognize one of my grade 2 classmates down there. Should I call him to help us summon up our memories together?
Sure, I will also call one of my grade 2 classmates. Let's call them here.
Daniel,
Nyla,
please come join us.
Do you hear that? I think it's someone calling my name.
It sounds like... Oh, Marco Renata calling us. Come on.
Hi guys! What are you guys talking about?
Hello, we were just talking about our memories in grade 2.
It reminds me that I was taught by Miss Desi in A, and you were taught by Miss Elsie to B, right?
Right. And about that, I remember that Lucy is speech is taught by Miss Lucy, and in 2D is taught by Mr. Cody.
Ooh, and what about the POM themes and projects then?
We learn how to grow plants. And in term 4, we learn about safety pioneers.
Yeah. About that, I remember in term 3, we had our ELTC trip to the Kanda. Which also the same term that we start studying at home because of the pandemic.
Let's move forward to grade 3. As I recollect, in this grade, we all studied at home for the whole year because of the COVID-19.
Oh yeah. And do you remember Miss Anjat, who taught us in 3A? Also Miss Teret, who is the homeroom teacher of 3B?
Of course, I was taught by Mr. Sam in Tracy and Mr. Toby in 3B. Oh yeah, and do you remember the apron we painted? We painted it based on the Indonesian culinary we made.
Well, I did put a name on that. Even though we are learning online, we still engage in excitement.
Yeah, same in grade 4. I remember we felt the same in the first semester. Do you remember that 4A is taught by Miss Tina and 4B is taught by Miss Rosa?
Yeah, I do remember that. I also remember in grade 4C, they were taught by Miss Yas, and in grade 4D, they were taught by Miss Gita.
Talking about grade 4, I remember our POE teams and projects. We were told to make a parcel and given them to those who needed it. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I do remember that. I do remember when we give those parcels to those who needed it with the term of we share, we can.
But the memory that lasts forever in my head is when it's our first time going to school again after 2 years of studying at home.
Yep, and we're finally back to school.
Hey Marco, do you remember that your class and mine were close to each other? You're in 5A with Miss Rosa, and I was in 5B with Mr. Sam.
Yeah, I do remember that. Also, 5C were taught by Henny, and in 5D, they were taught by Miss Tina.
I never forget our experience in term 2. We visited Kidzania to explore our dream jobs in the theme of my dream jobs. And in term 4, we were also asked to make our own dream company logo in the theme of my dream company.
And that last in my mind, of course, the retreat to Taman Bukit Palem for 2 days and 1 night. It's to prepare for our upcoming exam.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think we should say a lot of thanks to our grade 6 teachers, especially Miss Rosa, who taught us in 6A, Miss Dini, who educated us in 6B, also Miss Fanny, who instructed us in 6D, and don't forget Miss Tina, who guided us in 6D.
Actually, guys, I really enjoyed this time together.
Me too, Dario. There were a lot of things going on in these past 6 years.
Looking from our past makes me excited for what the future will bring.
I can picture ourselves later reaching higher levels